So when you have a mom that encourages you to go outside and get sunshine and explore, this is what happens. You find a spot on Tullahoma that you drive past all the time that has these random grave sites, and you go and check them out. I don't know if this was, I don't know if there was a church here or what, but some of these look kind of new. Does anybody know who these people are out there? That looks like baby. Oh, it wasn't a baby. How old is that one? 1880?
That's totally a homemade.
Yeah, they're so Davis. 1880 is when they were born, but it doesn't have a. Or maybe that's when they died. I don't know. It looks pretty old. That could just be weathered. So this is what we do on a fun Sunday afternoon. We go for walks in the woods, in the random woods, and then we find these random grave sites. Okay guys, I have a mystery. This looks like a grave site has been dug up. It's sunken in. Can you tell? Look. It looks like it's gone.
Gone but not forgotten.
But I don't know if you can see it on the video that it's sunken in, you guys, but it's sunken in. Like it's gone. Yeah, like it's totally gone. I don't know if there was a church over here or, I mean, you can't, is this a family that owns this? This is so interesting. Look, here's one, 1935. No, there's somebody that comes over here and mows and puts flowers and stuff out, but who is that person? Here's one that looks like it toppled over. Betty Williams died December 18th. It's too heavy for me to pick up. I don't know the rest. But Mom, here's one over here. Here's one over here. This one is really cool looking. It's got color. Mom, this one has color on it. And a really weird alien looking invasive root. But look at this. Oh, and there's a picture. So that maybe this is the Williams family land or something. I don't know. This is Joe Williams. He was born 1881 and he died in 1955. And that's his picture. Do you see that one over there, Mom? Yeah, and it's in color. I've never seen a tombstone in color. Yeah. Okay, so the grave site from the one that I showed before has flowers on it that looks like it's dug up. Look at the one next to it. This one looks like it's dug up too. Huh. There's a couple more over here that look a little bit older. family. Snowman King, born 1880. Mom, this was born 1889. This was born 1889, died in 1919. I don't see anything poisonous, so. Mother Herringer Mowbray, 1890, 1971. Wow. I totally want to go mushrooming. Not after looking at the gravesite, but I saw the dead wood. I saw the dead wood and I was like, I bet you there's mushrooms out here. Oh, and here's another one over here. You guys, like seriously, we're on a super ridiculously busy street in Chulahoma. Looking at these graves. This is kind of sunken in. I wonder if there was a grave here. Or where I'm standing. Ooh, this one looks really old. Okay guys, look at this one. I don't know if I can read it. Lucy, let me see, Lucy Williams, born February 25th, 1885, died March 9th, 1918. Her children called her blessed. Huh. Wow. There is somebody that I see every once in a while will come out here and mow and put those little silk flowers out. So I don't know if they own this land or what, but Mom, what did you find?
I
Think it's a well? Flowers are coming up. Be lots of, what are these? They're not daffodils. They look like tulip kind of things. Crocus, that's it. I wonder if that's a well. Huh? Yeah, because it's just random to have just some graves like out of just random. That's just so random.
Well, I